Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, J Shift English. Today I am going to have a class with the students of class 3. Our today's subject is English Literature. Today we will do unit 5, reading done. Then we will do word meaning, make sentence, true, false, CW. Now come to our class. Our today's unit is unit 6. Oh sorry, teacher has done one mistake. There will be unit 6, not unit 5. It is unit 6. Okay. So today's topic is unit 6, that is the Jantar Mantar. Now come to read. Have you ever been to an observatory? An observatory is a building from which scientists can watch the movements of the sun, moon, stars and all the planets with the help of many instruments. One day, Raja Joy Singh II of Jaipur was standing in his palace garden. He saw some shadows move slowly across his garden. He then knew that these shadows made by the sun could be used to tell the time correctly. At night, he saw that the sky above him was filled with many stars. As he looked up, he thought the night sky looked very beautiful. He wished to learn more about all the objects in the sky. So he built a set of 5 observatories called Jantar Mantar in Delhi, Jaipur, Varanasi, Ujjain and Mathura in North India. Jantar Mantar means instruments used for calculation. The Jantar Mantar at Delhi has many instruments that were made of bricks and plastered with lime. These instruments were used to study the movement of the sun, moon, stars and the planets across the sky. They could even calculate the shortest and the longest day of the year with this. A few metal instruments were used to study the night sky. There were some instruments that could be used both at night and during the day. The Jaipur Observatory is the largest of the observatories. It has many objects made of concrete for measuring the time. These are still in very good condition. In the olden times, a cannon was fired here to announce something very important. A drummer would announce the less important things. The observatory at Jaipur has the biggest sundial in the world. This sundial tells the time using the shadow of the sun as the sun moves across the sky from east to west. There is another round instrument here which is made of different metals and was used to calculate the different positions of the planets. All these instruments were built by the king so that his people could learn more about the heavenly bodies. This tells us a lot about the Rajput kings who ruled hundreds of years ago. So my dear students, this is all about the reading. You must practice reading at home. Now we will do the word meaning. Number 1, plastered. That means covered completely. Covered completely. Cannon. A large heavy gun usually on wheels. A large heavy gun usually on wheels. Heavenly bodies. The sun, moon, stars and planets. The sun, moon, stars and planets. My dear students, we have to be careful. We can't put full stop at the end of the word meaning. Now come make sentence. Number 1, important. A cannon was fired to announce something. Longest. Cox's Bazar is the longest sea beach in the world. Now come to the true false. Number 1. The Delhi Observatory is the largest of the observatories. Is it true or false? It is false. Then the Jaipur Observatory has the smallest sundial of the world. It is also false. So my dear students, you must practice this at home very well. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.